Having a will is the best way to ensure that the wealth that you leave behind after you pass goes where you want it to go. And more specifically, if you do proper will planning, there's significant tax savings and strategic planning that you can do that can benefit the loved ones that you leave behind. So when your loved ones have lost you, they're grieving, they have other things to worry about than the technicalities of realizing the assets of your estate. It just makes things a lot easier, and it takes all of the question work out of it, so they know exactly what your wishes were, if there are any specific items you wanted to go to someone, and again, it just makes things seamless for your family. So the things that we ask people to put their mind to before they come in is, who would you want to be your estate trustee, the person who administers your estate? Most people use the term executor for that. Then who's your backup choice? Who do you want to benefit from your estate? Who do you want the beneficiaries to be? Do you want your estate to go to your spouse or to your children? Do you want a cash gift to go to somebody off the top? Do you want to have charitable bequests to people? What kind of assets do you have? We'll ask if you have assets outside of the province that you're currently living in. Do you own any business interests? Do you own stocks and bonds? What kind of assets do you have that already have a designated beneficiary, and is that appropriate? We'll ask who you would want to appoint as a power of attorney, because often we do powers of attorneys at the same time that we do wills as well, so who do you want your first and second choice to be? In general, we recommend people look at their estate planning every 5 years. That way we can look to see if there have been any major changes to the tax legislation. Significant changes have just come into place recently, which significantly affect people's tax planning, so we have a lot of people coming back in right now. It is a small upfront investment when you're looking at protecting the wealth that you've spent your lifetime accruing. It's something that's worth the time to know is in place, and it gives people a lot of peace of mind.